In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Walmart jobs online, providing a full application guide to help you through the process from start to finish. Whether you're looking for an hourly position in one of Walmart's many store locations or in their distribution centers, this guide is tailored to make your application journey smooth and straightforward. First, you'll want to start by visiting the Walmart Careers webpage. On this site, you can explore a wide array of hourly jobs at Walmart. Before you even create an account, take some time to read through job descriptions for positions in store or at distribution centers. This will give you a good idea of what roles you might be interested in and the specific requirements for each. Once you've pinpointed a role that catches your interest, the next step is to register for a Walmart Jobs account using your email and choosing a password. Creating an account not only lets you apply for jobs, but also allows you to track the status of your applications. Plus, there's an option to receive text message updates whenever there's a change in your application status. With your account set up, it's time to create your career profile. This involves 6 essential steps. You'll start by verifying your identity using your social security number and providing your contact information. You can opt into receiving text updates about your application and choose between English or Spanish as your preferred communication language. Additionally, you'll need to confirm your age range and your employment visa status, documenting that you're legally able to work. Next, the process will prompt you with equal employment opportunity questions related to gender and ethnicity. Then, you'll fill in your employment history. If you have prior experience, the site will ask you to categorize your work history based on years of experience in sales, grocery, warehouse, and manufacturing. If you're applying for store or warehouse jobs, you'll need to enter your employment history for the previous 6 years. For those applying to be hourly drivers, the requirement extends to a work history of the past 10 years. You'll also answer questions about military service and some eligibility queries related to potential tax credits for employers, such as if you are a veteran or long-term unemployed. Finally, you'll specify your work availability, choosing the days, hours, and whether you prefer to work in stores or in the distribution network. You can enter your location info and indicate how far you're willing to travel for work, which helps Walmart match you with jobs near you. Available jobs matching your criteria will pop up, and you can apply to the ones that suit you best. After submitting your application, you may be directed to complete a career assessment test. This test evaluates your customer service orientation and teamwork abilities, and usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Remember, Walmart values employees who are cooperative and customer focused, so answer the questions with that in mind. Completing the assessment promptly leads you to find out if you've passed and advances you to the candidate review phase. If you didn't pass, don't worry. You can retake it after 60 days. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview to help you navigate the Walmart online job application process with ease. Good luck with your job hunt, and remember, patience and preparation are key to success in this journey.